In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download photos from Google Cloud to your phone. Whether you're using a desktop or mobile device, rest assured, the steps are indeed straightforward and parallel across platforms. Let's dive right into it. If your photos are backed up in Google Photos due to personal storage or automatic backup, here's how to download a single photo or just a few of them. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your phone, whether you're using an Android or an iOS device. Once inside the app, browse through your gallery and tap on the photo you want to download. After selecting the photo, look out for the three-dot menu icon, which you can either tap or swipe up to reveal more options. Once the menu appears, go ahead and tap on Download or Save to Device. On Android devices, this action typically saves the image to your Downloads folder, or you'll find it nestled in your Photos or Gallery app. It's worth noting, however, that if the photo is already stored locally on your device, you might not see the download option. So, if you don't see it, chances are it's already safely archived on your phone. Now, if your photos are stored in Google Cloud Storage or in a distinct cloud bucket as image files such as a JPG or .png, there's a slightly different path you'll need to follow to get these onto your phone. You'll be utilizing your phone's browser or the Cloud Console app in this method. Begin by opening a browser on your phone and heading to the Google Cloud Console. Navigate your way to the Storage section and then click on Buckets. Here, you'll want to locate the specific bucket and folder where your desired photo is stored. Once you've found the photo, tap on the file name or look for a download icon next to it. Tapping on this will download the image file directly to your phone. Remember, though, that some file types might open right within your browser instead of downloading instantaneously. If this happens, don't worry. You can either use the Save As option or simply long press on the image to bring up a menu. From there, just select Save Image. Upon downloading, the file should typically go to your phone's Downloads folder or wherever your particular browser is set to store downloads. Taking a moment to check your browser's settings can also help confirm where precisely your files are being saved. And there you go. Simple and effective ways to ensure you have your cherished photos at your fingertips no matter where they're stored in the cloud.